I'm Helen McMahon for Expert Village. The benefit of using this kind of a plastic knife is that it goes through the brownie mixture very nicely, and it also protects the surface of your non-stick pan. Because it's plastic, of course, it will wear out sooner than a good metal knife would. So in spite of the fact that I'm using a plastic knife to cut with, I'm going to use this kind of a broad cake turner and just very carefully scoop around the edges. In order to get these out easily, we'll use this. Now, the longer you let them stay in the pan, the easier they will be to remove. But just to show you how we can put these together, I'm going to take out every other one and set it in place. This might require a little spoon to scoop up. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but it will go in there. And will look quite pretty when it gets lined up with its companion pieces in here.